Okay guys, different types of plugs. There's all different types of plugs. I'm going to show you quickly how to get some brass out of them. Personally I say fuses. You see, these ones have got screws in. So what I do, take the bottom screws out first. Makes it easier. Just check these because sometimes they could be brass. As you can see, they actually do look like brass, but stick to a magnet for the steel. Yeah, they're all steel. The two small screws was holding that down, which hold the cable down. As you see, that one sticks. Always check. Even though they look like brass, they're actually steel. Plastic, go in your wire bag. See, brass. That's brass, got some copper. Sometimes these have got silver plating on, keep them separate. Brass and copper. And obviously a fuse. Put your fuse in a box. The older piece of brass. One set of pliers. Right, as you see, these got no screws in. Pop off your plastic, take your fuse out. You can throw these if you want, but I save them. Put in the dice. Use a set of mold grips, or these, I use these, mold grips. Rubbish. As you can see, they didn't fully come out. I've got a bit of brass. I have to get the plastic off. Pull the mold grip. That's your copper, that's your brass. I do actually put it in a tub and I'll sort it out later. We have separate tubs. Now these boxes that come off your wiring, and just broke apart really easily. It's a rolled aluminium, plastic, more plastic, some more aluminium, more plastic. As you can see, there's all aluminium on here. That's the nut behind it. And that gives us to break them off the board. As you can see, these transistors, we're holding it in. Hold it with flare pliers at the back, then on the nut. Check it with the magnets, sometimes you have little ends that come out, they're steel. Let's make sure it's clean. Double check the magnet. So, quick video to show you how to take some brass out of plugs. That's got a bit of aluminium. You can strip these down. I'll put to one side, made to do a bucket, and strip these down at a later date. I'll do a video on how to strip these boards down. Hope you enjoy watching. Thanks again. Like and subscribe below, and see you again.